Joby Rattrap from Rattrap Productions. Rattrap Productions, where we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to put a compression valve on. So I'm going to has to come out. Take it, turn it. There we go. It's got a ferrell in there. Looks like a ring, and that's going to go on the pipe. First, this goes down over the pipe. This goes in there. You make sure that's seated on where it needs to be, and you simply tighten. Turn it off because we're going to test it. The water's on. Let it sit for a couple minutes and nothing. So that's good. Now this is made to have another. It's got another ferrell and brass. It goes to a smaller diameter pipe. Unless it's not going to a smaller diameter pipe, it is going to the supply for this kitchen sink. So I'm just gonna put these on there, and I'm going to nudge those tight like that. Get this open. This is Joby Rattrap from Rattrap Productions. Today I showed you how to put on a compression type ball valve shut off for a water supply. Right on.